Hello, welcome to Let's Talk with Nina. My name is Nina. Our topic for discussion today is on AI, artificial intelligence. To have this very interesting discussion with me today is a very intelligent young man, Brayden. Welcome to the show. To perform tasks like learning, decision making, and problem solving. With the use of data and advanced algorithm, it has transformed industries like the financial sector, the healthcare, and then customer service, just to mention a few. While this is a very interesting development, some have welcomed it like an advancement in technology. But on the other hand, some people are skeptical and worried about the future of AI. So that brings me to our first question. How do you think AI will reshape the global job market, and which industries are most at risk of automation?
Personally, I think that AI will reshape the job market drastically. I think jobs like, for example, coding and programming and software engineering and jobs like those will be replaced by AI. Just simply because it's so easy to do just by typing in, a sentence and say, program this for me, and AI will do it all for you. And meaning we don't need those workers anymore in those jobs.
Okay.
But,
So, and with the introduction of smart cars everywhere, you think a lot of people are going to be losing their jobs, like the Uber sector and all of that?
you think like automated cars,
Yes.
self-driving?
Yes.
I think that it's definitely possible. Like I think it definitely will happen in the future. I mean, most of our GPSs and stuff, like are on our phones, and even the GPSs in the car systems, they are powered by AI. Like I think GPSs are powered by AI to calculate like the fastest distance to your destination and etc. But I can definitely see that in the future, like having apps where they self-driving cars and they come pick you up and drop you off. So yeah, I think that could be at risk.
Okay. And then what role will AI play in advancing healthcare and personalized medicine?
Right now, I feel like it's too early to tell because I think AI still has its flaws. Like AI could play a very big role on the future of having nurses and decreasing the workload on nurses and just doctors and people in the hospital workforce.
Okay, my next question is, what ethical concerns arise with the widespread deployment of AI in the society?
I think that AI has been too accessible to the public. Like I think the fact that anybody in elementary school kid can just pick up his phone and open AI and write with it, I feel like it can be used in bad ways, like in school. I know personally when I was younger, I used to use AI a lot in like middle school and high school, and it takes the learning aspect of school like just out of it completely because everyone's just using AI to summarize their papers and to fill in the blanks on their assignments, and they just don't get the actual learning experience that you know other generations used to get. And I just feel like that they're using it unethically and they're not using it in the way that it was created for, in my opinion.
So is this something you think parents should be worried about in terms of education, since they are no longer relying on
definitely something like I think schools should be more strict on, because I get it, like they have AI checkers, but they're very easy to bypass, and I think that they need to start enforcing more rules on it because our future will struggle, I think, definitely, if we just keep using AI for everything without actually learning the knowledge too. Yeah.
Okay, in terms of mental health and emotional well-being, how do you think AI can be used?
I think it's actually a good tool for mental health because like AI can have general basic conversations. So I feel like if you're sad and you really have nobody to talk to, you can talk to AI. You can say, "Hey AI, I'm feeling sad today," and they will say, "Hey, it's okay. Like, what can I do to cheer you up? Like, just know you're a good person and you matter and whatnot." And I think it's very, it's very good. And I think that if you ever need somebody out there and there's really nobody else you have to talk to, then by all means use AI, because there's no shame in that at all, to use AI to reach out, to have somebody to talk to or anybody to talk to at all.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So in terms of creative industries like the music and art, what role do you think AI can play in there?
I actually do have a story. I used to, one of the main things I used to use ChatGPT for was for ideas, because I think it's really good at giving it, because ideas, you can't go wrong with ideas. There's no right or wrong answer for an idea. And ChatGPT is really good at spitting out ideas for anything you want, really, as long as you give it the answer, not even just ChatGPT, any type of AI. If you just tell it to give you an idea about whatever it is you're looking for, it will give you that idea, and it'll give you multiple ideas. If you say give it 20 ideas, it'll give you 20. If you say give me 100, it'll give you 100. Um, so I think that's honestly one of its best features,
Okay.
is the creativity aspect of it, for sure.
Okay. Yeah. So in terms of safeguards, what measures do you think can be put in place to prevent the malicious use of AI and then cyber attacks here and there?
Oh, I definitely think the source codes to the AI and like programs, like the foundation, like the building blocks of them, should be protected. Those should not be as accessible as, I think, just using the app itself, because having public access to the app, they can set restrictions. But if somebody were to get like the source code or something, for example, I think they could probably do a lot more with AI and use it and program it to the way that they want it to be programmed. And I just feel like that wouldn't be good at all, especially when it comes to cyber attacks, because they could do a lot more than what us humans could do, for example. But yeah, I mean,
Okay.
hopefully it stays good. I mean, right now
We hope so.
I feel like it's not bad. I feel like it's
Yeah.
not bad.
Yeah.
Hopefully it stays that way.
Okay. Okay, in your closing words, let me ask this. What are your expectations? How do you think the future is going to look like with AI in terms of evolving?
I'm really excited for the future of AI, because obviously this is like a new thing in like the last 5 years, I would say. It's only the beginning, and I feel like we are in shock, because every week it feels like new things are happening with AI, and
Yes.
people are doing crazy stuff. Like, I remember like a month ago, somebody created a whole lawsuit from AI in 30 seconds. And
Wow.
I'm like that is insane, because that would take a lawyer like a week,
Yes.
and they can just whip it up in 30 seconds, and there's your lawsuit. You can file it. And I think they were able to file it, but it was to like a low judicial court. But I don't
Okay.
know if it actually worked or not. But I know that it created a valid lawsuit. Um, but yeah, I'm really excited for the future of it, and I think
Okay.
a
Same
lot
here
is.
too. Yeah. Thank you so much, Brayden. Thanks
Yes,
for
thanks
coming
for
on the
having me on
show.
the show.
Yeah. Hope you enjoyed this session. That's all we have for you
Mhm.
today.
Yes,
Have
we
a
hope you
blessed
guys
day.
enjoyed. Bye
Bye
bye.
bye.